So today I'll be showing you exactly how to utilize ChatGPT to upgrade your resume and or your LinkedIn profile to make it as expert and professional as possible. So to begin, you want to utilize this prompt that I have right here. So we're going to be basically giving a role, industry, style, requirements so ChatGPT knows exactly what we are doing. So the example prompt that we'll be using, and we'll also be using a fake resume and LinkedIn profile for this example, but just to give you an idea of how this works. So let me just go back here so that it's nice and clean. So we're telling it you are a professional resume and LinkedIn optimization expert. Improve the following resume and LinkedIn profile so they are ATS friendly and appealing to hiring managers in digital marketing roles. This is the little situation that we're creating for ourselves. Keep each resume bullet results focused with measurable achievements when possible. Add relevant keywords for digital marketing, social media management, and content creation. Make LinkedIn About section engaging and personal, but still keyword rich. Use strong action verbs and concise language. Then you'll be basically pasting the text of each LinkedIn profile as well as your resume. And then you'll be able to click enter and see what it gives out. So we will be using a pseudo resume and LinkedIn profile, which I'll be pasting in 1 second. So under resume, we basically inputted our fake resume, and we inputted it in the exact format that it was in and let ChatGPT do the work. Now, it's not a perfect resume, and it's designed to be kind of flawed like anyone would create it. And it's the same concept for the LinkedIn profile. We just inputted it in the format that it was in just basic text, and we're going to let ChatGPT do the work. It is very generic profile and resume, intended to leave room for ChatGPT to improve it as if you were just an average person trying to fix their resume and or LinkedIn profiles. Let's go ahead and click enter and see what ChatGPT can do for us. Now, as you can see here, it immediately optimizes your resume. It organizes it in a nicer format, gives you a professional summary, organizes your experience, your customer service representative position, all the positions that you did, your education, and it also optimized your LinkedIn profile, making it a lot nicer, more concise, and a lot more professional looking from the basic text that we inputted. Now, if you compare the two, there's a lot more detail put here and more focus on your achievements and kind of propping you up to look a lot more professional. And what you can do once you complete this is just go ahead and copy paste the text and input it into your profile. You can also ask ChatGPT to create a PDF for you. So now, while you can't exactly use a LinkedIn profile as a PDF, you can simply copy and paste that. However, for the actual resume, you can ask it to create a PDF and then download it like we did. Then when clicking it, we can see here it created a nice PDF for us with all the proxy information that we utilized and made it a lot nicer and organized, as you can see here. Now, obviously, if it's not perfect, you can ask it to create it again, or you can go ahead and just, copy the format that was given here and put it into a Word document or wherever else you would like to edit it for the, at least the design of your resume. So once again, by simply using the prompt that we created at the beginning and inputting it, the specifics to your resume or field of interest, you'll be able to optimize both your resume and your LinkedIn profile, as well as get a downloadable link for the resume using only ChatGPT. So hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.